Naukasanam, holding position 30 count. Both legs straight, join big toes, tighten kneecap, lips close. Now slowly come to final position, Naukasanam. Stay there and stay strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, Setbandhasanam. Fold your both legs. Hands just beside body. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Lift thigh, seat, lower back, mid back, upper back. Lift thigh, buttock, lower back, mid back, upper back. Lift more, mid back and upper back. Try to more expand your chest. Come on, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lift చేయాలి. 9, ఇంకా 10, 11. Both hands under your thigh. Under your seat, under your lower back. రెండు చేతులు నడుం కింద సపోర్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి. Lift heel, lift mid foot. Only stand on foot fingers. Now lift left leg, make it 90. Both hands under your thigh, under your lower back. 12, 11, 10, 9, come on, lift. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now total body turn to right side. Sitting position. Sit in Vajrasanam. Parvatasanam. Separate legs. Now come to Sarpasanam. Number 1, Sarpasanam. Lift head, eyeball facing roof. Both hands should be straight, both elbows should be straight. 2, Parvatasanam. Look down, head down, find your stomach. 3, Sarpasanam. Look up. 4, Parvatasanam. Head down, look down, find your stomach. 5, look up. 6, look down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Parvatasanam. Don't lift heel. Full foot on mat, full sole on mat. Legs straight. Both kneecaps should be tightened. Come on, head down, look down. Only find your stomach. Not mat, not foot, not kneecap, not thigh. Try to more pull down your upper body like a dog stretching. 12, 11, 10. Come on, stay strong. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. With the 2 dumbbells, standing position. Hands full rotation clockwise, lips close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, reverse, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Butterfly. Thigh, hips full up and full down. Sit straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move fast. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now straight down on abdomen. బోర్లా పడుకోండి. ధనురాసనం. Fold both legs. Catch ankle from outside. Both hands should be straight. Both elbows should be straight. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Catch ankle joint. Not foot fingers, not mid foot. Ankle joint. పాదాలు మోకాలు థైస్ దూరం చేయాలి. Now pull your legs back. Lift thigh. Lift upper body. Come on, lift thigh, lift upper body. Only stand on mid stomach. Lips closed. Lift head. Eyeball facing roof. In the final position, stay there like a statue. No shivering, no jerks. Dhanurasanam. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, lift చేయాలి. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, lift చేయాలి. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. శశైంకాసనం. 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 మొత్తం కూర్చోవాలి, పాదాల మీద కూర్చోవాలి. డోంట్ లిఫ్ట్ థై, డోంట్ లిఫ్ట్ బటక్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ యాంకిల్ అండ్ కాఫ్ మజిల్. రిలాక్స్.